música, chabón. Oye, Sonido Torres.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. The way that things have been. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. The master of my sea. I was looking from a young age to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Vámonos. Continuamos adelante con todos ustedes. Ya nos están solicitando algo de la música. Algo de lo nuevo de la música de cumbia que está sonando en esta bonita noche. Así es que, vámonos a ver la pareja y con la velada en esta noche. Esta es música cumbia. Esta noche para ti. Música de cumbia de lo nuevo, el tema que nos dice, ¡ay, el amor!